To change your PIN on Wise, start by logging in to your Wise account using your email address and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings menu, usually found at the top right corner of the page. In the Settings menu, click on the Security option. This will take you to a page where you can manage your account security. On this page, look for the PIN Settings section and click on it. You will then be asked to enter your current PIN. This is a security measure to ensure that only the account owner can make changes to the PIN. Enter your current PIN and click Next. After entering your current PIN, you will be prompted to enter a new PIN. Make sure to choose a PIN that is unique and not easily guessable. It is also a good idea to avoid using the same PIN for multiple accounts. Once you have entered your new PIN, you will be asked to confirm it by entering it again. This is to ensure that you have entered your new PIN correctly. After confirming your new PIN, click Save Changes to update your PIN. You will then receive a confirmation message indicating that your PIN has been successfully changed. It is a good idea to review your account security regularly and update your PIN periodically to ensure the security of your account. Additionally, make sure to keep your PIN confidential and do not share it with anyone. By following these steps, you can easily change your PIN on Wise and ensure the security of your account. Remember to always prioritize your account security and take necessary measures to protect your sensitive information.